My braided wig did not come to play. Ha!
Just pulled up to the house.
Hey, gorgeous! Hope I'm not looking too extra. So, guys, today I'm revealing a braided wig. This is from my braided wig. Look at it. It gave me this bag. Ooh. I want to be rocking braided wig because hey, summer, all you need is just braided wig. Yes. So today I'm going to be revealing this one for my braided wig, and this wig is just only for $125. $125, and you are getting how many inches? 36 inches, guys. Boss braid. Guys, don't mind me, you know I'm always playful. When I'm here, I like to play with you guys. Gorgeous, you're welcome. It's your first time here. Thank you so much for tuning in to my OGs. Mwah! Thank you so much for always sticking by. I appreciate. So let's unbox this wig for us to see. It came in this bag. Oh, this bag, you can see it's full. Ooh, this is full. Let me shift back. Okay, I think it's better like this. See, it's full. Hey, let me bring it out. My body is just like here. Okay, what's this? It came with something. Let's bring this out. What is this thing? I don't even know what it is. What is this thing? What is this? Woo! Guys, chai. Look at this. Oh, things are falling. Things are falling, guys. Everything is just falling. I'm coming. I don't understand. What is this? Someone should tell me on the comment section. What's this meant for? Anyway, I don't know. You know on the comment section because I don't know what this is meant for. Or is it something you wear on your head before wearing the wig? I don't know. So there is a bonnet that came with it. Thank you. There's a cap wig. Yes, 2 that came with it also. Thank you. All the instruction, everything about their wig is here. And let me remove this because my head is paining me. And I think I have discount code for you guys. Let me check, guys. Okay, if you use my code, you will save 30% off. Use CC30, you will save 30% off. CC30, you save 30% off. Okay, my braided wig. Thank you. You can see it's 36 inches. See, 36 inches. Look at this. Hey, yeah. I can speak in tongues with this because of this wig. I can speak in tongues, guys. Look at the edge. Oh, beautiful. Just look at this. Look at the hairline. They did everything for you. Everything. Look at this. We are not joking. My braided wig is not joking. They did not come to play at all. Okay, let me remove this so that you guys can see it very well. Why am I covering it with this? My braided wig did not come to play. That is you you receive what you paid for. Yes, that is it. They are not here to play. They deliver. Okay, look at this. They deliver. My braided wig. They are not here to play. Okay, you see this? See the knot. Okay, see this. See the back. And see the, okay, you can see, how do they call this Is it fishbone? See this. Oh, this is so beautiful. Ooh, and it's long. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It is full lace. Okay, it's not half. Full lace. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap and detachable adjustable strap, and also there are some combs here. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is it on, but the way I see this is as if the lace is too white for me. So I'm going to use airbrush legs on it, okay? Because the way I'm looking at it, as I'm seeing it, is really white. Where is my mirror? I can't find my mirror. Yeah. Where did I keep my mirror? Okay, it's here. Alright. Oh, is it, maybe it's my this thing that is doing this to it. Me looking at it here is not too white, but on camera is white. Or should I cut the lace first to see? Okay guys, let me cut the excess lace then to see if it is too white. If it doesn't blend, I'm going to use that. Like so. The other side. Okay, like so. So what I want to do, I want to chuck in this. I don't want to cut it completely in case if, why I did this, in case if I want to glue it down round, okay? So I don't want to make mistakes, so I just chuck in it because I'm not gluing the back down. It's only the front, so I'll just chuck in this one like that. I hide it. You see, that's what you should do. Because if you remove it now, the day you want to glue it around, you might make mistake. So I don't want that. So I'll just chuck in this. And I'm giving you a spoon now. All right, that is done. You see, you cannot see the wig, the lace. You guys can see that I'm cutting it in a zigzag form, not round, and following the hairline. I think I'll have to spray it. So guys, I'll just spray it round. I think it's better this way. All right, you guys can see the difference, that is no longer white the way it used to be because I spray my lace tint on it. That is why, you see, I think it's better this way. Yeah, we're going to go with it this way. We're rocking it this way. It's better. So right now I want to glue it down. There's makeup on my hairline, so I have to remove that. Okay, only one coat like that. Then I'm going to lay my lace. so I'm just going to remove them gently. Not rough, just remove it gently. I'm using my scissors. Okay. The only place I need baby hair is just this side. So I'll remove the ones that are in front. I need here. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. I need baby hair here. Okay. Here. So I'll remove these ones. I don't want them. You see the way I'm removing it? So this is the only one I need. This one and this one, okay? These other ones, I don't need them, so that's why I removed it. I'm still going to put my whatever here. Guys, I'm done with baby hair. I tell you guys, I struggle. I don't lie to you guys, I struggle to do this baby hair. Anyway, that is done. Let's tie it down, okay? So guys, we're going to use it.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain.
Okay.
I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid.
I'm just going to clean the, you can see the glue. See the glue all over, so I'm going to clean that. Oh yeah, we are seeing the glue. I'm going to clean it from it. So now that I've cleaned it, I'm just going to use a bronzer. Dab it just to darken those areas that are still white.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall?
So that is it. You see the front. I tried my best. You guys know I'm not a professional, but I did this. I slayed the wig. What do you guys think? What do you think? Think I did well, okay? So when we drop it, this is how it will look. When you drop the hair, this is it. Okay, so this is it, guys. When I drop the hair, see, this is gorgeous. It's just so beautiful. Oh, my braided wig, you guys did this one. So beautiful. Let me turn the back.
The encore's what we're praying for. Make it right in the next life.
it anyhow you want. Okay.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard.
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this gorgeous braided wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check it out. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And don't forget, with my code CC30 you're going to get 30% off your purchase, and the wig is already $120. Okay, using my code, you understand. So I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Stay on my job.